Hi, I'm Sophia, and this is the 8th video in ArtSphere's Animate Anything series. In this lesson, we're making a storyboard for our Claymation videos. You'll need a paper and a drawing utensil of your choice, and you can print out the storyboard template that ArtSphere provides in the description below. Draw every action that your characters make in the boxes. Here is some footage from the finished product of what Square 1 and 2 ended up looking like. On the lines below each square, you can write what's happening in each scene and describe what kind of shot it is. There are close-up shots, there are medium shots, and there are wide shots, and wide shots mean very far away. The next clip of the final product is of squares 3 and 4, and it shows a zoom into a close-up shot. The clip from the final product for squares 5 and 6 were both wide shots. Once you have your storyboard filled out, use it as a guide when you film your stop-motion movie. Thanks for watching!